Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you straight on how you can claim USDT for free. What do you need to do on this website? On this website, all you just need to do is to follow instructions and perform simple activities, which is known as tasks. And in these activities, you'll be given a point, and those points, lister points, can be converted to USDT. So in a short time, I will be introducing you to how you can make USDT for free on this very website. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So how do you start this? Starting this is very simple. All you just need to do is to click on start receiving tokens. It's as easy as that. Clicking on the start receiving tokens, it will start counting immediately. You will wait, and after the count is over, you will wait until the counting is over. So by the time the counting is over, you'll be able to claim, and also it's withdrawable. So how do we go about this? Let's quickly dive into this now. Okay, so all you just need to do is to click here. Let this start counting first before we move towards other activities. Okay, before we move to other activities. Sorry for the cost, please. All right, so the next one is tax center. In the tax center is where you see the daily activities where you can perform your task and start earning. Okay, it's as simple as ABCD. All you just need to do is to watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end, and let's see how it really works. Okay, so I'm going to click on start receiving now. All right, I'll click on start receiving now. So I'll wait. As you can see now, it has started counting. For each countdown that this one made, I'll be earning some lister tokens. All right, I'll be earning some lister tokens. So I'll watch it carefully while it counts. But while it's counting, let's go around to look at the activities on this very website that can allow us to make a lot. Okay, so let it be counting. The next thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself down here. You can see the airdrop here, which is what we're currently running. You can see the leaderboard. You can see the friends and the others, the upgrades, the team, and the me. Me, as the name implies, this is where you see your details. Okay, this is where you see your details, like your profiles and the others. This team is where you see the people you have recruited. It's not clicking up now because I haven't referred anybody for now. So I'm going to drop like my referral link at the description section of the video so that you can use it to sign up, and let's keep pushing up. All right, so if you open your team, your referral links will be here. Your commissions details also will be appearing here. The total number of teams, the total promotion commissions, total team recharge, and team total withdrawal will also appear here. Whosoever withdraw amongst from my teams, all will appear here. Okay, you can also click on here, share with friends, in order to what? To share your referral link with friends and keep making money for yourselves. Okay, currently the level is 1. I'm just starting this, and I want us to start like together and keep earning together. All right, okay, if you scroll up to, you're going to see your level 2 details, which is number of people you have. Level 1 shows the number of people you have as well. Level 2 shows the same, and level 3 shows the same. Clicking on the details, it will show you the details of each person, each of your referrals. Okay, that is it. Don't forget, this is important. Copy your referral links and start sharing with friends. I'm going to go into copy my drop it at the description section and also at the comment section of this very video so that you can all use to sign up, and let's keep in making fun together. All right. As I told you guys earlier, the me session will show like your profile and the team. I've explained the team. So let's see the upgrade. What does it hold? All right. Looking at the upgrade, this shows your level. If you have some USDT to stake, you stake here. You can make your upgrade here. And the minimum speed you need is 4.00 lister. That is the minimum tokens you need to upgrade. Okay, and the working hours is 12 hours because this upgrade you're going to make will work for you for each 12 hours. For every 12 hours, it stops. You claim and it begins again. You click here to click on like staking. You buy. If you stake one, your daily output will be 2,000, which is here. Validity day, it will never end. It's forever. And the price is what? 12 USD. You click on buy it now, you'll be able to purchase this. But I'm not encouraging you to purchase with your fund. I'm encouraging you to purchase with what you have hustled on this website. All right? So don't forget, I'll drop the referral link. Keep touching up. Then coming to the leaderboard. In the leaderboard, you can see your ranking. And also you can see the quantity of your coin. And one of the most fascinating thing about this is that the airdrop have started counting down. 13 days, 19 hours, 52 minutes, and few seconds left. This shows the days. This shows the hours left. This shows the minutes. And this shows the seconds, which is counting fast as you think. These are people in it already and they're ranking. You can see it all. That's recorded a lot of users though, which makes it a very perfect time for you to begin, to start. Okay? Start this mining now, NUSDT for free. Now this is the announcement. Hello. Open free USDT exchange and start a new pledge airdrop task. Free USDT. Free USDT exchange requirement. Lister airdrop tax. 80 million. 80 million USDT bonus. Free online exchange. Each user can use his or her point to exchange for USDT for free. 730 points can be exchanged for one lister. And the minimum exchange requirement is 9,000 points. Requirement 9,000 points can be exchanged for 4.5 USDT. Wow, that's nice. And the 80 million USDT airdrop bonus will continue to be collected until it's completed. Users who do not meet the requirement can continue to earn more points through daily airdrop tasks. Enable airdrop pledge tax functions. Invest in lister, buy lister tokens, and get more points every day. The more official lister tokens you commit to purchasing, the more points you earn each day. So please log into the platform to view the specific pledge exchange rates. This lister tokens airdrop task, and everyone can get tax points. 730 points can be exchanged for what? For 1 USDT. Points can be redeemed for airdrop missions rewards. The number of points is not equal to the lister listing price. If you want to obtain the corresponding market value price, please choose airdrop tags 2, and also pledge task. Log in to collect points. So you can see, just click on I know and allow this to start mining. Keep mining for you. You can join the group and leave comments. Daily invitation level is 1. It's 0 over 1 because I haven't invited anybody. You can follow all of these in order to what? To start growing further. All right. So this is simple and very, very simple. So all you just need to do is to dive in now and start earning for yourself. Okay. So this brings me to the end of this class. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.